streets to the stage.
Okay.
We hear the crowd.
Yes.
And we will shine.
No chains can hold us down.
You know
We
that.
stand on a solid ground. Together we can. The future's for us.
For Nagaland.
No shadow is too dark. Through clouds we'll find the way and shine. When we walk as one, hand in hand, the victory's for us.
The victory is for the Northeast.
We are the youth of Nagaland. We stand united for Nagaland. We'll rise and shine for Nagaland. We are the future of our land. We are the youth of Nagaland.
Yes, hello everyone. Peace to the Northeast people. Yeah, hope everyone is doing well. Peace from Africa, guys. Today we have another reaction video from Nagaland, Naga people, guys. Hope everyone is doing well. Yeah, back again. Today we are checking Imna Yaden, guys. One of the best, amazing artists of Naga, who love to promote the culture, who love to unite not only the Naga people, uniting all the Northeast people, and inspiring the world like me from Africa. I do love how Imna Yaden used to make his music video, guys, full of culture and tradition. Amazing, just a unity. Watching him is a unity, guys. Let me just tell you, today we are reacting to Youth of Nagaland. We have various artists here, guys. You're gonna watch them without wasting time. Do subscribe, guys. This channel is only for the Northeast people. I do reaction, and sometimes if I visit Northeast people, I will also vlog. So stay tuned. Thank you so much for the subscribe. Start Youth of Nagaland. You.
Hiya, 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 hiya.
Come together.
We are the heartbeat, we are the flame. Every tribe we got one dream.
We got the fire burning in our souls to live this land above the skies.
No chains can hold us down. We stand on the solid ground. Together we can. The future's ours.
No shadow is too dark. Through trials we'll find a way. When we walk as one, the victory's for us.
We are the youth of Nagaland. We stand united for Nagaland. We'll rise and shine for Nagaland. We are the future of our land. We are the youth of Nagaland.
Wow. This is the unity behind Nagaland. This is the beauty of Nagaland. The Northeast, Asia, the beauty, the people.
Every step we take, we will break free together and rise through every storm.
From the streets to the stage,
Okay.
we hear the crowd.
Yes.
And we will shine.
No chains can hold us down.
You know
We
that.
stand on a solid ground. Together we can. The future's for us.
For Nagaland.
No shadow is too dark. Through clouds we'll find the way and shine. When we walk as one, hand in hand, the victory's for us.
The victory is for the Northeast.
We are the youth of Nagaland. We stand united for Nagaland. We'll rise and shine for Nagaland. We are the future of
Wow, 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 wow. Indeed, you are the youth of Nagaland. You are the future of the Northeast, not only Nagaland, guys. What an amazing, inspiring, touching, man. My heart was beating the whole song. Oh my god, this is so beautiful, guys. I love this guy. I love his music, guys. His music is just, as I told you, and I'll keep telling you, this guy, one day he gonna make history, not only in Nagaland. He already did it for the Naga people, but for the whole Northeast. I'm pretty sure if this guy is gonna keep singing this type of song, because what I found out that Yaden always sing a song which involve a lot of culture, like promoting culture, the tradition, and more important also the unity. Like he loved to unite people, and not only the Northeast, the world loved that. And I'm just guessing, what if he keeps singing this type of song to unite all the Northeast? Boom, brother, one day, I know most of the people from different states of the Northeast, they also love you for uniting for this amazing song. But I can't just imagine if you start singing such a song for all the 7 states of the Northeast, then bro, you're gonna make it, man. I can't just wait. Like earlier last time I reacted to that youngest lady of why did I Esther Namte. Yeah, she's called Esther Namte. Like I see similarities between these guys, but you know, Esther Namte unite all the Northeast. Like in her latest song out, you can go and check it, guys. And I'm just imagining what if Imna Yaden will sing like that. Anyway, I think does he has a song which unite all the Northeast? Because this song, okay, is for the Naga people. I love it. But I also wish to see him one day, yeah, giving such a hit to all the Northeast people. I'm pretty sure they're gonna love it. I trust this guy's skill, the talent. Anyway, the music video was so amazing, coming back to the culture, the tradition of Naga people. How beautiful seeing the traditional attires, and how beautiful are the ladies and the different singers I saw today. They really sound so beautiful and so amazing. The beat, guys, coming back to this guy, his beat is so unique, like so cultural. It's not something fake, like something relatable to Naga people, exactly what Naga knows. And I love it, guys. I can't wait also maybe one day to visit Naga people. Nagaland is beautiful. I saw that, guys. Anyway, guys, thank you so much. This channel is for the Northeast people reaction, and sometimes we do vlog. So subscribe, guys. Thank you so much. Till next time, keep doing your work. I love it. Imna Yaden.